Hey friends, this is me Arika from Arika's Vanity, and today's video is all about tips and tricks to blend like a pro. So let's get started. My tip number 1 for blending is to use a very sharp edge blending brush to intensify any color on your eye. After you've got the right amount of shade on your eyelid, you need to go in with a whiter blending brush. You can see that using a whiter blending brush, my intense color is blending out very neat. I'm scratching off my previous liner because it's coming off really bad with this blending. We'll fix the liner after we are done with our eye look. I'm going in with more brown shade in my crease line just to remove the already existing glitter line I had in my previous makeup. You always need to go back and forth with small and large brushes just to make sure that you get the exact intensity and blended gradient look for your eyes. Using a flat tip brush, I am going in with some neutral white pale shade. Now I'm going in with some more black color on my upper lash line and blending in with my favorite blending brush. Yes, and it's by Krylon, by the way. Going in with some more black color with that small tip brush. See how I'm building up my colors and intensity and blending it evenly at the same time? This is all you need to do for a very professional eye makeup look. Now I'm taking some neutral warm brown shade, which is almost available in every palette nowadays. It is the best shade to build a transition between your brow bone and your lid. Going in with more pale white shade on my lids. You can stop here if you want. It is a very beautiful subtle kind of a look, but as you know me, I am a little glam and extra kind of a person, so I'll go with some glitter. This glitter right here is by Be World. Just grabbing some on my flat tip brush and going on my lid. That's all you need to do. After applying that glitter, I'm again going in with the same brown color just to cut crease the sharp edge between the glitter and the mattes. This gives you a really defined kind of a look. I've done my liner again, and that's it for now. This is all what you need to do to get a very professional blended kind of a eye look. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. This is Arika signing off from Arika's Vanity.